Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making potato salad. So here are your ingredients for potato salad. I have 10 small potatoes. I'm gonna peel it and I'm gonna boil it, and then after it's done, this is what we're gonna add to it. We're gonna add celery, onions, sweet relish. We're also gonna add some Italian dressing, honey mustard dressing, mayonnaise. I like this kind of mayonnaise. And then we're also gonna add eggs. I have 8 eggs. I'm gonna boil it with the potatoes, and then we're gonna put everything together. So I'm gonna peel these potatoes and it's gonna go on the fire. We're also gonna need black pepper and salt. So I'll be back. So here's our water. I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to cover it and let it boil before I put my potatoes in and the eggs. So here's our potatoes, peeled and washed and diced. We're gonna put it in the water is boiling, so we're gonna put it in the water, and then we're going to add our eggs. So our water is boiling. Our potatoes is gonna go in. Sorry, not tomatoes, potatoes. And then we're going to add our eggs to it. So next we're going to wash our celery and dice it, and also our onions and dice it. At this time, our eggs are cooked, so we're gonna take them out. We're gonna put them in a bowl of iced water so that it'll be easy to peel. What we're gonna do is cut the potatoes up. You want some chunk to be in there, so you don't want it to be too mushed all up, but you want to leave some chunks in there. So just cut it up. We're gonna let it cool down, so we're gonna open it up and let it cool. So at this time, just open it up and let it cool down. So at this time, our potatoes has cooled down. The first thing that's gonna go in is your Italian dressing, okay? So shake it. You're gonna put about, I'll say a quarter cup. And then you're gonna add your honey mustard, also about 1/4 cup. If you have the regular honey mustard, you could use it. If you don't have it, you could use this one for salad dressing. We're also going to need about 2 tablespoons full of sweet relish. Okay? So this is 1 tablespoon and this is the other. I'm gonna use the rest of it because it's about 2 tablespoons in here. Okay, so I'm gonna use all of it. It's about 2 heap of tablespoon. Okay, so we're going to mix this all together with your knife. So continue to stir. We're gonna add a teaspoon of pepper. We're not gonna add any salt because there's already salt on the potatoes. So now we're going to add our celery and our onions. Okay. The celery makes it crunchy when you're eating it. It's nice and crunchy. So we're gonna mix it together. You could use it what you call it, wooden spoon. So the next thing that's going in is our eggs. So we're just gonna slice them in. Just take your eggs and slice them in. You're gonna mix it together with the mayonnaise. And then we'll freeze it for about an hour. So now we're going to add our mayonnaise. I'm gonna use half. It's left with half. I'm gonna use the rest of it. So now we're going to mix our mayonnaise with our potatoes. First mix it together at the top with the eggs and then delve in. Gonna mix it. This is about half of the small mayonnaise. It tastes so yummy. Yummy in my tummy. I will say I make the best potato salad. Maybe not. But you know, you have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, who believe in you? So yes, I make the best potato salad. It's a fact. I'm yet to get in the Guinness World Book of Records. It's good now. I want it to be a little bit more rich, so I'm going to add about 2 more heaped spoons of the mayo. 1 and 2. And we're going to first add it to the top a little bit and then delve in. Okay, I'm using a knife. You could use a wooden spoon, doesn't matter. Okay, and we're gonna clean around it, and then we're going to put it in the fridge, let it cool. It tastes really good when it's cool. Yeah, so that's it. You can use some eggs to garnish. You can use some parsley or whatever to garnish it. This is your Lucy's famous potato salad. It's yummy. Taste it. If your salt is good, don't add salt. If you need salt, add salt. So here you go. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Let me give a shout out to my nephew Bezalel Parkway Silani. I hope you're watching. I hope you try this. I know you're gonna like it. All right, thanks for stopping by. Bon appetit, everybody. Be safe out there.